I am going to make basic homemade strawberry jam. I got this recipe from The Cooking Bride. I think that's the name of her website. If you hear boiling in the background, I already started the preserving jars, boiling them. And here's strawberries, tons of sugar, pectin. I am using pectin. What was it? Pectin?
Mm-hmm.
I think I always say it wrong. And then lemon juice. And did I mention sugar? So I am doubling her batch. So 2.5 cups strawberries. So that means I'm doing 5 cups strawberries, lemon juice, pectin, sugar, and preserving jars. She actually, you can print this recipe online if you're interested in making strawberry jam. Pretty much all strawberry jam recipes are very similar. You got your sugar, you got your strawberries, and you got your lemon juice to help with the color. And then you don't have to use pectin. A lot of people don't. I do. I'm not like a health nut. I'm not worried about pectin. I want to make sure it gels correctly. And so I'm using the pectin. So let me get started with my 5 cups of strawberries. Alright, so the first step is to crush the strawberries with a potato masher, and then you're going to stir in the lemon juice, and then you're going to stir in the pectin. So I can't do this one-handed, so I'm just talking about it. And then stir in the lemon juice, then add the pectin, bring mixture to a full rolling boil, stirring constantly. So let me get that started. I just added the lemon juice. The lemon juice is important. If you watched my video about making strawberry syrup, you saw we had left over, you strain out the strawberries. I didn't use lemon juice, so you saw the strawberries lost all their color. So if you don't use lemon juice in your jam, your strawberries are going to get a washed out color. I think you mashed them good. My husband's watching. He just. Do you want to mash them a little more? The mash, you have to rinse it off. Yeah. They're good. It's going to cook down a little too. Yeah, you see what he's saying. It's chunky. So this is jam. I don't know. I think I'm going to have to mash it a little more. Okay. So after it becomes a rolling boil, you start slowly adding in the sugar. My husband is adding it in. Remember, this is 7 cups of sugar to 5 cups of strawberries. It is a lot of sugar, but this is strawberry jam. And I might regret not having a bigger pot. I'm going to have to invest in a bigger pot because my biggest pot I used to boil the jars for canning purposes. But we only have 2 more cups, so it's going to be close.
No, you'll be fine.
It's going to be close.
You could probably put another 8 cups in there.
I don't think so, but thanks.
Sure?
Thanks for the. Is that all this? That's all this? Yeah. I had added 2 cups off camera, so that is 7 cups of sugar. So now the recipe says add sugar, stir to dissolve, bring to a boil, continue to boil for 1 minute, stirring constantly. Okay, so really it's not really cooking that long. But it will take it a couple minutes to bring it back to a rolling boil. It looks so good. So yeah, my jam's gonna be a bit chunky, but that's okay. I like it like that. Alright, now I am going to spoon the strawberry stuff in here without trying not to make a mess. I don't know. I'm probably going to make a mess. It's very foamy. All the recipes say like skim off the foam if so desire. And I did skim off a bunch of foam, but I'm just afraid if I skim off too much, I'm going to lose all the pectin and stuff. So I don't know. It's the first time I'm making strawberry jelly, so I don't understand the significance of the foam. And then I need to leave like like 1/4 inch headspace. Let's see. That's like 1 inch, so just a little more. Okay. Okay, so the recipe said it would make 8 of these jars. I'm pretty sure it's gonna make way more than that. So let me wipe this down. Oh my god, it's so I think I'm gonna have way too much jam. I might have to have my husband run to the store and get me some more jars. But let me fill what we got first and see. I am doing, oh man, it's sticky. It's syrup. You can definitely tell it's syrup. I am going to do the water bath method, so I'm going to get 4 jars, and then I will start boiling them for 10 minutes. See, Robert, it's foamy, but how?
Don't worry about it.
I don't want to lose too much. What if it's like taking away the pectate and stuff? So
No,
it just looks like there's 2. I just feel like I need bigger jars. Is what I need.
Did it say 8 small jars, or what size jars?
She used 3 of the bigger jars, and so that's why I
Do you
used
need another jar?
6. Let me feel what I got. But yeah, I might need you to run to the store real quick and get. You got jars secretly hidden somewhere?
No, but I'm not the store.
If I ask you nicely, you'll run to the store, won't you?
Well, I mean, maybe you can just put it in a container and we'll eat that right away.
Let me just jar these up first.
That's fine.
He doesn't want to go to the store, can you tell?
No, he doesn't want to go to the store.
Alright, so you want to wipe.
Fine jar right here.
I might have to use that for our own personal,
That's a perfect
whatever
jar.
is left.
Perfect for the job. We'll look through the neighbor's trash.
Oh man,
and
those
see
are
if I
hot.
can scrounge up another one.
Really?
Yeah. You never know.
Alright.
You never know what you'll find in people's trash. Someone pulled stuff out of our trash not that long ago.
They did? You
Yeah.
saw them?
I saw him. There was a box on top and he took the box.
Oh my goodness. Oh man, God, this stuff's hot.
Well, the box so bad you get to use kitty litter with it.
They're very nice. Oh my God, this is messy. I'm used to canning pickles that aren't sticky. So, oh my God, this is why you gotta wipe this down. Because to get a proper seal, you don't want anything on the rim. And I've already like boiled these jars, boiled the lids. I'm just trying to do the oh my God, sticky. I'm trying to officially can it so I can stick them in the pantry until I can give them to friends and family. All right. Alright, now I'm going to wipe down this one. Oh my God. Yep, making a mess. Alright, that one's wiped down. So now this is 4 of them. Now I'm going to stick them in the water bath for 10 minutes. Okay, so it actually did fit into 8 of these jars. Here's 4 I just took out of the bath. There's 4 more in the water bath. This was all that was left over. When I was canning, it looked like there was going to be tons, but there really wasn't. So this is just when it cools down. This is going to be our sample. And these are the little jars. I think these were 8-ounce jars. I don't want them touching. Okay, so it's just my simple water bath. So they will boil in the water bath for 2 minutes. That's my strawberry jam. Alright, here are my 8 jars of strawberry jam. They already started popping. That makes me very happy. They're still very much hot to the touch. But so pretty. They look really good. And this is the leftover. I'm going to refrigerate it. And I'm going to try it tonight on some toast. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.